Josie. Can you blow kisses? Oh, very good. Mwah! No kisses. Can you say apple?
Apple.
You're so smart.
Apple.
That's our new word today.
Apple.
Orange.
Apple.
Yeah, we haven't really worked on that one.
Apple.
Apple?
Apple.
Can you say grandpa?
Papa.
Say grandma. Grandma? Grandpa?
Mama.
Not mama, grandma.
Are you videoing or?
Yes.
Mama.
Not mama, grandma.
Mama.
Can you say grandpa?
Papa.
Daddy?
Tata.
Where's Odie?
Hi.
Say hi, Odie.
Hi.
Hi, Odie.
Hi.
You're a smart girl.
Apple. Apple.
What's a duck say?
Tata.
Quack, quack. What's a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. Good. What's a piggy say? What's a piggy say? What? That's a kitty. What's a snake say? What's a lion say? What else?
Bumblebee.
Oh, what's a bumblebee say? What's a bee say? Good job. Blow me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Oh, I guess she's done.